moving away from the commercial sector was probably one of the greatest days in my life, where I realised I was able to fill my bucket, being able to help people.
One of the things I find very rewarding when I visit Beacon is how much they support the local community. And it's fantastic to know that they're being so successful doing that.
I was part of the broader installation team for Beacon Laundry, and coming back here today, it really reminds you of the reason why we do business.
My name's Anthony Dan. I'm the General Manager at Beacon Laundry, a new kind of commercial laundry. So we're a not-for-profit social enterprise that employs people facing barriers to employment. So anyone that's been locked out of the job market, we give them their next helping hand to get into the job market. When we went out to tender for the process, not only did we look at who was going to give us good value for money, a great product and a good clean, we also looked at a company that aligned themselves with our values, which was looking after people. JayChem's parent company, Richard J, helped set up Orange Sky Laundry. We love the fact that they had that sort of ability to help other people that are less fortunate as well. So that was also a large part of the criteria when we made the selection to go forward. Along with that, we feel that they have probably the most advanced chemical dosing system and the ability to help us bring out a quality product, which is really important for our customers at the end.
Sustainability is very important to Beacon and to JayChem. We are part of a bigger picture and play an important role in giving them efficiencies such as water, power, chemistry, all play a significant role in delivering a great service for the community. And JayChem is one part of that jigsaw puzzle.
So the commercial laundry sector is genuinely the first sustainable business type that was available to the mainstream market.
I check for quality outcomes, making sure that their linen is clean, fresh, hygienic. We test wash cycles to make sure the chemistry is correct, and then also discuss any special needs that the client might require or need at the time.
So the customer service that JayChem offer is 100% transparency. If we ever have a problem, they're on it as soon as possible. From start to finish, they tell us every step that they're going to do to make sure that we're not going to let our customers down at the end of the day.
Part of the solution that we offer is our JayCloud dispensing system. The JayCloud dispensing system is unique in the market in that it offers validation not only for thermal disinfection, but also chemical disinfection. It validates product flow, which means that you're going to get the right result every time through your plant.
That allows us to know exactly what we're doing at any time of the day, so I can provide a consistent product to our clients every day, every hour of the day.